Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good, they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Aquapel. Aquapel is a water monitoring system that uses a shut-off valve and easy-to-install advanced sensors to track leaks, unusual water flow, moist conditions, and temperature changes in your home. It's a completely customizable and expandable system designed to work for any homeowner, and it is an affordable one-time purchase. There are no added fees or subscriptions required. The Aquapel remote shut-off valve hooks directly to your main water flow. It detects when water is being used and how it is being used. Aquapel can automatically close your main pipe if it senses an alarming change or abnormal water pressure, or do it yourself at any time from anywhere with the tap of a finger. Add temperature sensors in critical areas like under your kitchen sink to help stop damage from freezing pipes before it's too late. Aquapel learns how you consume water, and the more you interact with it, the smarter it becomes. As it collects new information, it forms an accurate picture of what's typical for your household's water use, alerting you when it senses irregularities. Just 30 seconds could be the difference between a small puddle and irreparable water damage. Aquapel sends you updates the very second any concerning change in water flow has occurred. Purus Air 5. Purus Air 5 is the world's first portable air purifier with both UVEA and UVC sterilization. Through the specially designed light diffraction structures, the UV light spreads out evenly, effectively sterilizing the filtered air rising through the 12-channel cyclone cleaning system. The ultraviolet light has a 254 nanometer wavelength, falling with a range in which microDNA has peak sensitivity to UV light, allowing Purus Air 5 to further safeguard and sterilize the air more efficiently. The molecular C filtration is another feature that founds the outstanding performance of Purus Air 5. Unlike air fresheners or perfumes that mask odors, the molecular sieve traps noxious odors in its crystalline structure and effectively absorbs and removes unpleasant smells. Fasten Master 5-Shot. The Fasten Master 5-Shot collated pneumatic installation gun is the perfect tool for easy and reliable fastening jobs. This installation tool uses the Fusion Lock collated hidden fastening system with TimberTech and ASIC decking. The 5-Shot loads easily with the collated clips, which comes in two boxes, one containing enough to cover 250 square feet and another containing enough to cover 450 square feet. Those areas of coverage are estimates and assume a 16-inch on-center joist placement. Just like a collated nailer shoot nails, the 5-Shot quickly and easily shoots into the top of a joist, simultaneously anchoring one side of an edge-grooved deck board and readying for the next board. Fasten Master 5-Shot tool should be loaded with only one strip of 5 clips at a time. This optimizes installation speed and fastening system performance. Each Fusion Lock clip has a front and a back. The front clip is indicated with arrow. To load the strip, tilt the tool at the 45-degree angle, holding the back of the strip. Insert the front leg of the clip. The rest of the clip will drop easily into the place. Now, pull the pusher back to engage the clip. Something to keep in mind, many hidden fastener systems that fit the edge groove of a deck board. Oftentimes, homeowners don't want to fit that edge groove. That's where Fasten Master's Cortex hidden fastening solution comes in. It's a great companion to Fusion Lock that uses a special bit, screw, and plug to anchor a deck board without screw heads showing. That means the boards on the perimeter of your deck can also be fastened without visible screws, just like in the middle of your deck. Self-adhesive mounting clips. Route and organize messy cables with self-adhesive cable mounting clips. Each clips feature a single slot to hold cables of different sizes. The 3M adhesive backing mounts to a wide variety of surfaces. Screws are included for permanent mounting if needed. Single slot accommodates a variety of cables including data cables, charge cords, power cords, and many more. Bevel squares and angle reference plate. The woodpecker's bevel square locks from the end of the handle instead of the typical wing nut at the joint. Not only does this feature move the clamp out of your way, it's also far more secure than the standard clamp. Simple fingertip pressure locks the blade solidly. You will never worry about bumping it out of adjustment. If you are matching an angle on an antique piece or fitting trim in an older home, increase the tension so the blade will hold position as you align it on the corner. Now, you can take it away and lock it completely without the blade moving. The stainless steel blade of the bevel square has a beautiful satin finish. Stainless steel is also used throughout the internal blade locking mechanism. When you need to transfer an exact angle, our angle reference plate makes it a simple task. On a 3" times 16" times 1/4" aluminum plate, we laser engrave angles from 0 degree to 30 degree on one side and 31 degree to 55 degree on the other. The angles are graduated in 1/4 degree increments, using solid lines for whole degrees, dashed line for half degrees, and dotted lines for 1/4 degrees. Metabo Compressor. Metabo Basic 250 24-watt 2 horsepower 24 liters basic compressor with wooden crate packaging is one of the most dependable pneumatic tools for commercial use. This 24 liters basic compressor boasts of a push button with a cold start feature complete with a safety valve. These air tank compressors also come with additional manometer to correctly display tank pressure. Metabo 2 horsepower 24 liters basic compressor's rubber coated handle makes sure that the customer experiences ease of application. These air compressors comes with a powerful and robust compressor along with oil lubricated piston, making them one of the most sought after products in the field of pneumatics. Crescent Apex E-Shock Guard. Protect yourself from electric shock with Crescent Apex new patent isolated technology E-Shock Guard, providing insulation of up to 1000 volt. E-Shock Guard combines safety and convenience for a revolutionary experience when working around potential live wire applications. The impact-rated design withstands heavy use, impact tool applications, so you never have to sacrifice protection when using power tools. E-Shock Guard is protecting you for life, providing the electrical insulation is achieved by a patent insulation zone, creating a separation between the bit or socket. The bit holder includes magnetic tip, keeping the bit securely in place, and a retaining ring enables easy secure changes. The socket drive features a ball detent to keep sockets locked into place. The Crescent Apex E-Shock Guard isolated bit holder looks much bigger than any bit holder you typically use in the field. It features a magnetic tip to hold your fasteners securely in place. A retaining ring lets you hold onto and replace bits easily, and a 1/4" hex shank ensures that you can use it with your impact drills and drivers. Hen Ultimate Home and Garden Nozzles. Introducing Hen Ultimate Home and Garden Nozzles, firefighting inspired, next gen home and garden nozzles for all your needs. These nozzles are easy to use with one-hand operation. Ultimate all-purpose nozzle has a long range and wide stream at the same time. You can switch from short to long range with the flick of a thumb. It's time to get rid of those confusing old nozzles and get the nozzles you deserve. A breakthrough innovation developed using principles of fluid dynamics. The ultimate all-purpose nozzle delivers a power-packed performance. So why settle for something ordinary? Get a hand nozzle today and you see the difference for yourself. Hand nozzle delivers a high pressure for more cleaning power, covers a large surface area and a long range, with optimal water flow and hassle-free one-hand operation. Hand nozzle is answer to all your needs. Water garden, clean cars, or clean homes, or give your pets nice baths. Leval Evo 21. The world's smartest lighting helmet with 270-degree rear light, patent fall detection, and SOS alert. The Evo 21 offers true 360-degree coverage with a brake warning light and turn signals visibility from all directions. With 30% more ventilation and 350-gram lightweight design, you will stay ahead of the pack while cutting down on sweat. The Leval features patent fall detection and SOS technology, so in the event of a fall, it sends a text message alert to your emergency contact with your exact GPS location. The Leval Evo 21 lets you keep your eyes on the road instead of worrying what's behind you. Wide-angle front lights and super bright 270-degree rear lights are integrated into the helmet, maximizing your visibility even at long ranges, while smart LEDs signal to drivers what you'll do next: stop, turn, or ride on through. Plus, 3 dynamic lights effects will make sure you get noticed on any street, improving your safety and helping you ride in style. Get in sync with your cycle. The Evo 21 has sensors to detect when you're slowing down or coming to a stop, and it automatically turns on the brake warning light on the back of your helmet, letting other riders and motorists know you are stopping and keeping you safe and secure night and day. Hydrolite. A new lantern called the Hydrolite aims to render your single-use battery useless. The user removes the power rod and fills the battery compartment with salt water. Once the power rod is placed back inside, an electric current forms and generates power. For using Hydrolite, you have to twist off the bottom and remove the fuel cell from the Hydrolite. Remove plastic wrap from the fuel cell and immerse in water 10 until 12 seconds to generate power. Vigorously shake out excess water. Insert fuel cell back into the Hydrolite with fuel cell facing forward and turn on. Advanced level 360. When it comes to easy and fast aligning, squaring, and transferring, the advanced level 360 unites all references needed all in one tool. Accurate aligning is ensured due to projection of the 360-degree horizontal laser line and the vertical line. Beyond that, the second vertical laser line, set at 90-degree angle, makes for easy and exact squaring, and the ceiling reference cross, complementing the plumb down, ensures fast transferring. Thanks to green laser technology, visibility is up to 4 times better when compared to red laser lines, even under bright light lighting conditions. Whether it's installing suspended ceilings, furniture at the same height, installing drywalls and shower cabins, or hanging up lights, this 360-degree line laser's quality safeguard optimal results, even when applied on slightly rugged surfaces. All relevant references for fast and easy aligning, squaring, and transferring. Cordless cleaning brush. The multifunctional and strong universal brush makes life easier. It is a versatile helper for removal of light and stubborn dirt. Its powerful motor ensures almost constant brush rotation for tackling even the most demanding scrubbing task. A variety of attachments allow use on a wide range of surfaces and materials. Due to its IPX5 splash water protection, it is also qualified for use in wet environments. This brush masters scrubbing of tiles and joints, garden furniture, ovens, pots and pans, and shower glass, and reaches narrow areas like tap or shower. This handy tool offers cordless application and is rechargeable via micro USB cable. Midspan Slitter. The Joner Tools patent pending MS26 Midspan Slitter is designed to open fiber jackets and loose buffer tubes to provide easy fiber access. The MS26 is designed to work on cables or buffer tubes ranging in size from 2.9mm to 6.8mm in diameter. Its sleek ergonomic design allows you to open a jacket or buffer tube without damaging the fiber and features a replaceable cartridge blade set. The MS26 was designed with 5 precision grooves, which are conveniently identified on the top of the tool. The grooves will handle an assortment of cable sizes. Select the correct groove. Each groove is marked with the recommended fiber size. Place the fiber in the groove to be used. The arrow on the top of the MS26 indicates blade location and pulling direction. Close the tool, making sure the lock is engaged and pull. Compact body hammers. The BF612 hammer smooths small dents and is great for finishing. This hammer is also a good fit for fenders, door panels, quarter panels, and other restricted access areas. On the flip side, the BF629 hammerhead is reduced to the smallest length possible and has only one tip. Height and width of the head are slightly increased to maintain mass while providing a hammer that can work in the tightest of areas. Multi-material bits. This bit drills it all. Laptops, iPads, garden gnomes, even bowling balls. It also drills steel, glass, ceramics, porcelain, wood, even concrete. The professional Easy Cut multi-purpose drill bit really does go through anything. The Easy Cut multi-purpose drill bit comes in a straight shank for use in standard drill chunks, or with an SDS plus shank for use in rotary hammers, and is the perfect choice got renovation work. For example, replacing wooden windows with UPVC, or in construction where multi-layered materials are used. Extra hand tungsten titanium carbide tip also for extreme requirements. High temperature brazed and therefore resistant to high temperatures in the drill hole. Diamond ground cutting surface for extreme sharpness and asymmetrically shaped drill helix for optimal drill dust transport. Suitable for masonry, marble, artificial stone, concrete, granite, brick, ceramic, hardwood and softwood, plastics and acrylic, alloyed and unalloyed steels, glass and crystal. Grizzly's T25101 English wheels. The T25101 15-inch benchtop English wheel is a bench-mounted tool that forms complex curves in flat sheet metal, such as aluminum or steel. The wheels are adjusted to exert pressure on the sheet metal. Then the sheet is moved back and forth through the wheels to stretch the metal and produce customized curves. It features 7 lower wheels contours with a built-in storage rack, a 15 to 3/8-inch throat capacity, hardened steel wheels, and gusseted steel frame with powder-coated finish. Power clamp. The lifting clamps, the latest innovation in timber construction, enables you to easily raise wooden beams and massive edge glued panels through a simple and quick fastening on the lifting clamps. Depending on the demand, the D2570 is appropriate for a load carrying capacity up to 1000 kg, the D2570 for a load carrying capacity up to 500 kg. Drill, apply, lift. The low maintenance lifting clamp is the ideal companion for every building project. Despite its low weight, it is extremely robust. Timber structures have taken on truly gigantic proportions in the recent past, but with ever larger structures, the load on the parts to be processed also increases, and thus also the demands of the lifting equipment. Here too, Pllin sets new standards. The tried and tested lifting clamp has been convincing for years with its simple and time-saving application. This has now been optimized again with a great success. With the power clamp D2570, previously unattainable loads up to 1000 kg per stop can be achieved. A special adapter ring was developed for the new power clamp, which reduces the required drilling depth so that wooden components with thickness of 80 mm can be lifted and installed without visible drill holes. This means only 73 mm of drilling is required. RYO Drill WS90 Spot Weld Remover Universal for all cars, especially designed for wide and deep profiles. Removes and opens spot welds at the folds, as well as seams and inside located panels to remove the Jumbo-Matic G-clamp within seconds. No extra tool needed to remove spot welds on profiles together with the Jumbo-Matic. Fast, effortless, precise. At inside located spot welds, take away the Jumbo-Matic and place the WS90 straight to the job. With depth limiter, control cutting depth precisely. Prevents from drilling into the panel underneath. Special drill also for HSS steel and Ultra HSS. Strong and powerful drive, long lifetime. Carving vise. easily mounts and securely supports your work while you carve. T10812 carving vise with 5-inch faceplate lets you focus on the fine details rather than struggling to support your carving. Made with solid cast iron and weighing at 14 pounds, this visa features a 360-degree rotating top and includes a locking collar for positioning anywhere you need. The 5-inch steel plate features 16 mounting hole locations and a quick connect post for the lock collar easily hold fast with a single lever action handle. Faceplate can be positioned nearly anywhere throughout 200-degree anchored angle of motion as well. Like all grizzly vices, the T10812 comes with a 1-year warranty which covers parts and assures the unit is free from factory defects. Heroes. Heroes trauma shears are the professional grade tool created for anyone in the business of saving lives. Backed by 10 years of research and tested in the field of paramedics, emergency physicians, Navy SEALs, and NASA flight surgeon, Heroes are the most powerful shears you have ever encountered. This reinvented necessity combines 8 tools in one, including trauma shears, ripper, window punch, ring cutter, oxygen tank key, and hex key into a single easy access tool with superior durability. Heroes trauma shears cut through anything with intensity and ease because they are modeled after the bite of the great white shark. Shark's teeth have a unique serration pattern that makes them powerful shearing machines. We replicated that serration pattern in the Heroes blade so you can expose injuries quicker and easier every time you reach for your shears. In an emergency, you can't afford to make mistakes. Heroes grips are ambidextrous and designed to give you multiple grip options, including with thick gloves, so you can deliver the right amount of force in different situations. Heroes elastomer finger grips are overmolded directly onto the fully tangled blades. This soft textured material provides comfort and a secure hold that reduces hand and wrist fatigue. Fitnex Pillow. Meet the Fitnex Pillow that will save your night. Fitnex is a state-of-the-art pillow literally made for everyone. By using elastic TPE and extra soft denier microfiber, it can support anyone's head and ensures comfortable rest every night. Thanks to its flexible structure, Fitnex can support everyone's unique head shape and their sleeping postures. Whether you're sleeping on your back or on your side, Fitnex can fit in. Fitnex uses unique-looking TPE triangular pillars to support your head. Unlike rubber that deforms under stress, TPE can withstand heavy stress and recovers to original form when pressure is relieved. TPE is a stable chemical product that can be used without worries. Thanks to its harmlessness, it is used on many daily products such as disposable gloves, yoga mat, and even baby bottles. Morty. Loose tenon joints take on a new dimension when the fit between the mortises and the tenon stock is precise enough to be used in exposed joinery. Add in the ability to align the mortise at an angle to the stock. Take away the 4-digit price tag normally associated with the loose tenons, and you have woodpecker's newest tool, the Morty Loose Tenon Joinery Jig. Morty uses one template and different combinations of template guide bushings and router bits to make the 7 different standard mortises for loose tenons: 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm. Not coincidentally, these are the same sizes cut by the Festool domino mortisers. Just put the right router bit and guide bushing combination in your plunged router, align the index marks in the template with the center lines of your mortise, and route away. You have infinite control of the depth of your mortise. For the decorative look of the exposed tenons, just set your depth of cut to route completely through your material. The template can be rotated in the sliding base to cut the mortise at any angle relative to your stock. These features opens up design opportunities in chair and stool construction, as well as louvered doors and screens. Index pins centered on the mortise template make it simple to keep ends of the joining pieces matched up perfectly. Just keep the outside faces against the reference edge and the end of your stock against the index pin, and your joints will come out flawlessly. The index pins also make projects like louvers easy. Just drop the pin in the previous milled mortise and cut the next one. Singleshot Air Punch. The Singleshot Air Punch is designed to remove the flange heads from the fasteners that have been cut using E-drill. The nose adapter engaged in the E-drill cut groove to prevent misalignment. The Air Punch uses a single strike to the fastener pin and no other part of the structure to provide a better, faster, and safer removal. SSAP reduces potential damage to the structure and significantly reduces the chance of impact injuries and repetitive motion injury to the operator. Product Novelty Cup Brush. This twisted knotted wire cup brush is designed to scour metal, making it perfect for cleaning weld beads, deburring machine surfaces, and removing sharp edges from sheet metal. Wire is 100% inspected to meet demanding quality specifications, provides even balance and smooth performance. This novelty cup can handle old greasy builds-up, precision deburring, rust, spatter, and paint removal, and cutting or wrought iron railing stripping or surface conditioning and preparation. It also fits most grinders and a powder coat finish that resists rust and corrosion. Abrasive wire cup brush operates at the speed up to 1500 RPM and is suitable for angle grinders with 5/8 inch until 11 threaded arbor for easy removal of severe rust, paint loss, corrosion, and skill. Easy Pump. Small tool, big performance. The Easy Pump is Bosch intuitive air pump for all applications up to 10.3 bar. The unit's real-time measurement and the pre-select function supports convenient and precise inflation results. The pump features a clear interface and a roomy display, readable during daylight. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal companion to take along. Equipped with various adapters, neatly stored in the storage compartment, the Easy Pump can inflate all sorts of tires, balls, and even small water sports articles. Inflating has never been easier. Everything ready at hand. Various adapters are neatly stored in the tool handle. The clear and bright Bosch display design ensures easy reading of the display, even in broad daylight. The display shows both the current and the target value, so that the user can keep an eye on those values. The integrated accessories storage from Bosch holds a selection from the most common attachment: ball needle, valve attachment, balloon attachment, neatly stowed in a single compartment. The bright, integrated Bosch LED light above the tube ensures that the valve area is illuminated all the time. The high-quality tube has a textile coating and a threaded metal coupling, small enough to reach valves in tight areas. The attachable 20cm tube can be rotated 360 degrees. Evolution Twister. A truly versatile product ideal for all popular mixing applications such as plaster, mortar, tile cement, Artex, cement lime, epoxies, gypsum and granulates, plus screeds and sealants. A high-quality mixers featuring a variable speed control to suit all materials from 250 to 750 per minute. Smoothly mixes to perfection every time. Safety on and off switch can be locked on for ease of use. Robust headstock with powerful high-torque motor and ergonomically designed soft grip handle for maximum comfort and control. Supplied with a multi-purpose mixing paddle, paddles are attached quickly and easily. Wrench is included. Z-Mirror. All-in-one smart mirror and personal assistant. Improve your productivity and multitask through your morning routine. See your scheduled daily activities, weather, news, or play music directly from your mirror. Experience epic 360-degree audio with sound by Harman Kardon speaker, offering crisp high, clear mids, and deep bass, found in luxury cars like BMW and Range Rovers. The one and only Harman Kardon speaker will surpass your expectations. Select from cool, white, and warm light. The ring light is evenly diffused so you can see everything clearly, whether you're going outside or staying indoors. You can make sure that you look good in any situation. The ring light turns on and off with a mere wave of your hand, letting you get a clearer look of your skin without touching the mirror. Simply ask to turn the ring light and mood lamp on or off. The full integration doesn't stop at just the on or off button, but takes it to one step further with control over brightness setting for the ring light, color change for the mood lamp, and even YouTube video searches. HVAC Clamp Meter. Klein Tools CL440 Clamp Meter is an advanced HVAC clamp meter with automatically ranging true root mean square (TRMS) for maximum accuracy. The meter measures AC current, inrush current, AC-DC voltage, DC microamps, resistance, continuity, frequency, capacitance, temperature, diodes, and more. This digital clamp meters comes with the right angle input test leads, push-on alligator clips, K-type thermocouple, storage pouch, instructional manual, and 3 AAA batteries.
Wire weeder. Discover our new wire weeder, designed for manual weeding in diversified vegetable production. The wire weeder is perfectly adapted for every meticulous producers who wants to weed at the cotyledon stadium. The round wire allows you to approach the main crop without damaging the leaves. With the 3 sizes available, this tool is adapted to be used in between the crop lines and the in-row spaces. This cleverly made Culti weeder gives a 2-in-1 performance, as it boosts 3 extra sharp, lance-shaped prongs for loosening up even tough clods of earth or stony ground, plus a sharp blade to slice through weeds on both the push and pull action. Made from cool rolled steel with a zinc lacquer finish. The prongs and blade self-sharpen during use for an unbeatable performance even after years of use. Comes with a working width of 10 centimeters. It is for breaking up soil and cutting through weeds between plants or vegetables. It is made to glide through the soil at precisely the right angle whilst you maintain an upright position so you don't damage your back bending. Multi-Brax. The tube belt sander has a 6-stage speed control. The speed can be adjusted as needed. The band speed is 2.7 to 8.5 meters per second. The continuous speed range is between 700 and 3000 RPM. The large wrap angle is up to 270 degrees. Facilitates and makes your operation more flexible. The robust pipe grinder made of high quality cast iron plus ABS plastic with sanding belt of 760 x 40 mm. And an accessory set is suitable for round materials and pipes with a diameter up to 180 mm. The pipe grinder has a 2-stage handle, a protective cover, and rubber wheels. Has a high wear resistance and can prevent the flying out of dust or foreign bodies, making your operation safer and more comfortable. You can remove the drive wheel by pressing the self-locking button and pressing the guide wheel to change the standing belt. This is convenient, quick and easy to install and remove. Combi Click. The backing pad allows Combi Click discs to be used with standard angle grinders, designed for use with coated abrasive, non-woven and felt discs. The Combi Click system consists of a specially developed backing pad with an innovative locking mechanism. The threaded backing pad allows Combi Click discs to be used on most available angle grinders. The special geometry of the cooling slots ensures a high throughput of air, thus significantly reducing the thermal load on the abrasive material and workpiece. This optimized cooling, together with the quick mounting system, rugged fixture, and secure attachment of the discs, allow Combi Click to provide up to 30% lower workpiece temperature, up to 25% increased stock removal, and up to 30% longer disc life. Hilti Polygon Chisel. Using Hilti Polygon Chisel with a self-sharpening tip will make your work more efficient and for longer with the same chisel. No resharpening or rehardening necessary. Ultra robust, inductive hardening makes these chisels especially resistant to mushrooming, wear and bending. Hilti TE-CX Hammer Drill Bit. An X-shaped pointed tip and 4 cutting edges makes this TE-CX half-inch masonry drill bit from Hilti a real workhorse. It's constructed with 2-component tungsten carbide to absorb and withstand impacts when drilling into reinforced concrete, providing utmost strength and durability even as working temperatures escalate. The fluted design allows dust and debris to be rapidly expelled for steady performance when drilling into mortar, brick, cement, concrete, cinder block or other stonework. is 10mm shank fits SDS Plus style rotary hammer chucks. New solid carbide head has high wear resistance and makes more precise holes for anchor setting, up to 30% more lifetime than other SDS Plus drill bits. Solid carbide head featuring gradient technology, engineered to drill speed over the entire life of the drill bit. Indicator mark. The bit is suitable for setting anchors as long as this mark is visible. In the unlikely event of breakage, the drill bit will be considered for replacement, as long as the wear mark on the helix is still visible. Knotted end brush. Knot wire end brush are abrasive tools used for cleaning rust and removing paint. They are also used to clean surfaces and create a better conductive area for attaching electrical connections. Knot type features thick, knotted wire brush design is good cleaning equipment for those restricted surfaces like small spaces and borders like pipes. Rugged knot type construction also provides aggressive, high impact action for severe applications. Knot type features can help you polish and clean more efficiently. The wire brush has a thinner, crimped cup design, so it can provide you a maximal flexibility and fatigue resistance while also minimizing scratch risk in expensive material surfaces. Multom. Multom is more than just a hub. Its innovative design turns your laptop into a full-featured workstation. It can be adjusted to any angle to reduce screen glare, improve typing ergonomics, while providing connectivity and data transfer for all of your essential devices. Multom combines an infinitely adjustable laptop stand and a 13-in-1 USB-C hub. The hub is equipped with 13 useful ports, supports USB 3.2, Gen 2, as well as USB 4 for transmission speeds up to 10 GB a second, and 100-watt USB-C power delivery, which can power 5 connected devices simultaneously and never encounter a power drain while you are working. It lets you work more efficiently and boosts productivity with quadruple monitor display output at the latest 4K 60Hz ultra high definition video. Multom provides an ergonomic laptop experience and creates a more comfortable working environment. The triple display drivers deliver an unparalleled visual experience with dual HDMI ports and a PD power delivery port, a specification for handling high power that allows a range of devices to charge quickly over a USB connection. This system allows up to 4 high-quality displays, including your laptop monitor. Extend your desktop, work on multiple apps simultaneously, or enjoy exceptional quality for games and entertainment. Multom can help you relax and also boost efficiency while multitasking. 6-in-1 electric staple gun, which means it can be compatible with 6 kinds of staples or nails, including T50, JT21, T25, T20, brand nail, BN18, pin with automatical power switching. By this feature, it can replace most of your previous staple guns, allowing you not to have to change different staple guns frequently. The gun itself can fire at 60 staples per minute high speed, which helps you secure large surfaces quickly. Wow Stick. The Wow Stick drill is a small and light, just 1.6 ounce, which fits in your right hand, and literally easy to carry anywhere, so you can take it to distant workplaces. Sized by 6.8 by 0.6, you can grip it like a pen for ultimate control and precision as well as for comfort. Am8 Pro. Caesar Am8 Pro is the first scanner that features a dual camera system, which makes it the perfect tool for the business meetings, online teaching, and working from home. Not only can it give you crystal clear scans, but also provides 1080p high-res video calls. You can even connect Caesar Am8 Pro and use it with software like Zoom. Caesar Am8 Pro works with all kinds of computers, whether it's Mac or Windows. And this, we take it even further. It is now compatible with all smartphones and tablets too, so wireless scanning has never been easier. With OCR optical character recognition functionality, Am8 Pro enables you to transfer scan pages into editable files, which elevates scanning possibilities to a whole new level. With over 180 languages supported, this powerful scanner gets it all done. Restore an entire book collection into a digital library on your tablet. Featuring a slew of cutting-edge technologies, Caesar Am8 Pro makes scanning a lot easier. With our patented curve flatten technology, it automatically removes curvatures of pages and saves you the time consuming awkwardness of flattening the pages by hand. Along with other features including smart paging, auto alignment, correct position, multi-target scanning, remove fingerprint, purify background, and more. Am8 Pro makes scanning a breeze. Pllin Master. The Pllin Master is a multiple-purpose pull tool used to install and wrap sealing wire on C and C purlin clips. The patented purlin head make it possible to install a purlin clip and then to wrap a sealing wire onto the clip. The Pllin Master also includes an LMP wire plug, interchangeable head that allows it to install and wrap any standard eye lag screw. There are several other interchangeable heads available for hanging threaded rod, hanging jack chain, half male sockets, quarter hex bits, and much more. The Pllin Master head also has an opening to slide 12 gauge wire into the clip so that you can tie off the clip once it's been installed, all in one quick step. The patented Pllin head securely seats the clip so that it will not fall off if accidentally bumped onto the bar joist. Fast Fix Filler Adhesives. 2-part adhesive and clear filler powder. Repair system with unique reinforcing and filling feature. Cracks, holes and gaps can be repaired so that the damage area is taken back to the original shape/profile. Designed to bond rubber, copper, steel, and aluminium, as well as most plastics, rapid solidification and strong cohesive force allows speedily repairs under 30 seconds, and you can move on to the next stage of the repair. Once fully hardened, the filler can be ground, filed or sanded down if required. Finished surfaces can be painted or coated to match the surrounding area, or the process repeated if further filing is required. Gopher Pro. Gopher Pro is the amazing grabber and arm extender that reaches and picks things up that are far away or in awkward places. Gopher Pro can grab delicate items and it grips, locks, and won't drop them until you decide where to put them down. But with such an accurate and delicate grip that even tiny items won't be dropped or damaged, or even heavy items over 2 kg can be reached, grabbed, and lifted with ease. Gopher Pro reaches down behind a couch or under your bed to squeeze and retrieve when you can't reach. Grab items from the top shelf with ease, or down low without any bending or crouching. Safely pick up broken glass or messy rubbish, or hands-free and easily change light bulbs without having to stand on dangerous stools or ladders.
Krua AER. Have the best night's sleep in the wild with our 4-season, quick setup, and versatile rooftop tents. Right to the dessert? No problem. Off the grid by the mountains? You got it. Or maybe you just want a relaxing day at the beach with your family. With the Krua AER, you can travel far and wide, with the only limitations being your snack supply. The most difficult part of your future camping trips is no longer a frustratingly long setup time. Now it's more like deciding which beer to crack open first. Fully insulated, Krua Kula is the gift that keeps on giving. You'll be guaranteed to wake up well rested and fresh as a daisy. It truly is the greatest night's sleep you can have in the wild. Doer, the most compact tool shed. A 12-in-1 multi-purpose toolbox that transforms handheld tools into benchtop tools in seconds. It does more than your dad's tool shed, and it packs to the size of a toolbox. Every power tool you need fits effortlessly into one smart, compact, and super organized box. Doer Kit contains a hammer drill, driver, circular saw, jigsaw, a work light, hot wire cutter, table mini lathe, and a table sander. Cable and wire management sleeves. Hide messy cable bundles with Klein's cable and wire management sleeves. The 3-foot long sleeve can be cut shorter if needed. Hook and loop design lets you adjust to fit a variety of diameters. Easily wrap the durable and reusable black sleeves around your cables to organize any space. Cable management sleeves help organize and hide cables at the home, office, or job site. Made of sturdy material with hook and loop seal firmly attached with back stitching and glue. Malco Magnetic Driver. The Malco MHSC dual-sided driver is magnetic, reversible from 1/4 inch and 5/16 of an inch, and is easily cleanable. The driver can be flipped and snaps on securely. One driver, 2 sizes. A real added plus is that this driver design makes it easy to clean off the metal shavings on the magnetic, making for secure screw engagement. The reversible socket allows you to clean metal shavings off the magnet, a really nice feature. tested to be the same strength as good quality, single-sided magnetic driver. 3M Hand Masker. The Hand Masker masking film kit is all you need to apply Scotch masking products. Perfect for the professional finish you require. Includes a free instruction DVD with every kit. Refill with 3M masking films and papers, available in 24 inches, 48 inches, 72 inches, and 99 inches. Replaceable 12-inch blade also available. Save time with trusted 3M Hand Masker masking system. Productivity directly impacts profitability, which is why so many professional painters rely on the 3M Hand Masker masking system. Combining trusted, time-saving products into one simple solution is key because it allows a single painter to quickly and easily mask a job that would otherwise require a 2 or 3 person crew. The system consists of the Hand Masker M3000 dispenser, 3M masking films, and Scotch masking tapes, all optimized to work together. The 3M Hand Masker M3000 dispenser is a versatile tool for heavy-duty masking, covering, and protecting. It dispenses 3M masking film while simultaneously applying Scotch masking tape. The system can be loaded with a wide variety of Scotch branded tapes and 3M masking films. Easy Pro Winch Cart. The Easy Pro Winch Cart is designed for raising, loading, and unloading finished slabs safely with minimal labor. The vertical steel structure can make possible to raise and lower those finished pieces by the use of the installed electric winch. 4 solid rubber tires makes a very sturdy frame and has the ability to elevate pieces from 300 millimeters up to 1020 millimeters, where they can be easily loaded onto a truck bed, on or out of a van to transport to and from job sites. Remote control helps also with versatility. With a 450 kg working load limit, this will help transport the biggest and heaviest of countertops. Switchable Notched Trowel Set. Square Notched RTC switchable trowel system combines a unique comfort grip handle with today's most popular tile grout trowel notches, all in a space-saving kit. There is a super strong spine for high quality feel and function for everyday use. All components come in a compact plastic box with a built-in drainage system to allow moisture to escape. All trowel blades are made of stainless steel to avoid rust, so your tools last longer. Lafitte C1. With a weight of only 2.7 kilograms, Lafitte C1 is lighter than ever before, which means you can take it with you anywhere. Despite its portability, the Lafitte C1 packs a lot of power thanks to that efficient BLDC motor. Lafitte C1 has 2 speed gears that allow you to go as slow as 1.3 milliseconds or as fast as 1.6 underwater up to 30 meters. Choose the gear that fits your preference the most in different environments. Featuring dual 200W motors, Lafitte C1 offers a powerful thrust underwater. Its compact and modular design brings excellent user experience, and the dual motor is stable and easy to operate. Thanks to its powerful dual motor, now you can feel the massive thrust of the Lafitte C1 both underwater and on the water. Unlock your water adventure now with the Lafitte C1. The positive buoyancy of the Lafitte C1 is perfect for you and your family to learn how to swim or simply just hanging at the pool, giving you limitless options for water entertainment. Thanks to the built-in camera mount, you can attach your GoPro to Lafitte C1 and start recording your most thrilling water experiences. With the max depth of 30 meters underwater, this is your go-to water scooter. What's more, you can control your Lafitte C1 wirelessly, making it even better for any type of aquatic activities. Whether it's at home, in the pool, or out at sea, Lafitte C1 is your ideal companion. SmartPad. Meet SmartPad, a smart display that allows you to use as an Android tablet PC, monitor, and smart TV at the same time. The SmartPad is not only multifunctional, but also very powerful, convenient, and lightweight. Take it to go anywhere at any time. Perfect for designers, students, businessmen, gamers, coders, photographers, and remote nomads. SmartPad can connect with multiple devices including a laptop, smartphone, tablet, and gaming devices, boosting your productivity while increasing a perfect entertainment experience. Download countless app from the Android market, using it to edit your docs, video, web surfing, playing games, or you can even connect your SmartPad with the keyboard and mouse. SmartPad has what it takes under the hood to be ready for every demand in your busy life. 4K resolution brings bright colors and vivid images, which provides an enticing and thoroughly entertaining experience. The 16:9 screen proportion shows the real image of the game, or scene, or work perfectly and quickly. The 10-point touchscreen provides great pressure sensitivity and also allows multi-touch. PowerCore 12. The Skill 12V PowerCore 12 multi-cutter slices through tough materials like carpet, cardboard, cloth, and leather, while the self-sharpening blade allows for interruption-free use. The battery has an integrated USB port to allow for the on-the-go charging of your devices, while the lightweight and ergonomic handle reduces user fatigue. Whether you're laying new carpet, breaking down boxes, or cutting wrapping paper, this tool ensures a smooth completion of the job at hand. Works WX092 High Pressure Inflator. The Works WX092 is a compact and lightweight 20V 4-in-1 tool. It works as an inflator, tire pressure monitor, work light, and fault warning light that can be neatly and safely stored in the boot of your vehicle. It makes for great emergency backup for those tricky and unfortunate situations that can sometimes occur. The inflator tool is multi-use with high pressure inflation of 0 psi to 10 bar for tires, and small inflatables such as bicycle wheels, airbeds, footballs, and much more. The WX092 cordless portable machine is ideal for keeping in the garage for household repairs or storing it in the boot of the car. Running off a 2.0 AH20V battery means that there's no need for trailing cables or connecting to main powers. AGC18 Cordless Angle Grinder. The powerful AGC18 cordless angle grinder is highly durable and built for the professional remodeler who needs reliable, versatile performance. With its enclosed brushless motor, protected electronics, and variable speed, the AGC18 is built to last and perform in a broad variety of applications. This powerful grinder is extremely simple to use, with a keyless arbor and guard change, variable speed, and a unique battery position for cut-off operation. Its design means that it fits well on the user's hand, runs smoothly, and generates few vibrations. It is also compatible with the battery packs and chargers in the Festool 18-volt system. Ozito Universal Spreader. The spreader enables the user to precisely control and evenly distribute grass seeds and fertilizer or other granular products. Features include sure grip, ergonomically designed handle with an easy reach 8-stage flow rate dial, and an easy selectable 6-stage electronic speed control provides the user with precise adjustment. RYO OBI Hedge Trimmer. The RYO OBI 22-inch 18-volt 1+ HP hedge trimmer is ideal for any hedge maintenance around the house. The premium HP brushless motor provides more power, longer run time, and a longer motor life. The 1+ hedge trimmer is lighter than ever before and still gives you the power you would expect from higher voltage lines. The 22-inch dual-action blades and the 3/4-inch cut capacity allows this hedge trimmer to handle even the toughest hedges.
Bending Machine Type ZRD. The manual folding machine is designed for manual cutting and bending of metal sheets, with the parameters specified by the manufacturer. Made of the highest quality steel, powder coated, accessories and small parts are protected against corrosion by zinc. The folding machine is constructed in such a way that it is possible to correct individual elements. This design allowed for a very high rigidity of the bending machine. When cutting the sheet metal, the circular knife can stay in the guides on the edge of the bending machine without having to put it back. All elements of the folding machine are regulated, and there is no need to adjust them. McElroy Spider 125. McElroy Spider 125 is the preferred equipment for quick and accurate socket fusion field installations of 63mm to 125mm propylene pipe and fittings. The lightweight compact device features a worm gear drive with parallel link system to bring pipe and fittings together evenly and under control. The features of the Spyder 125 allow a single technician to properly align, heat, fuse, and cool the pipe. Because the Spyder is non-back drivable, constant pressure is maintained throughout the process. The Spyder has proven to be an exceptional tool for performing socket fusions in overhead, vertical, and tight space situations. Tag pipe. The Prep 8 is a real workhorse. Its size, power, and functionality make it extremely popular in high-volume, heavy-duty beveling applications, on-site, or in the workshop. This is mainly due to its impressive 2 to 8-inch working range and unrivaled power. The Prep 8 is a portable, one-man operation machine. Its power-to-weight ratio and offset 4-jaw tool holder, chuck, allows use of up to 4 insert or form tools to enable simultaneous external and internal beveling of the heaviest wall pipe. The Prep 8 is torque reactive. This means that the pipe or tube does not have to be fixed to be beveled, making it particularly useful on site in maintenance and repair situations. Aluminum milling disc for angle grinder, chipping instead of grinding. As a result of the defined cutting edge geometry, no dust. In contrast to abrasive removal, but chips will occur. This reduces a potential health and explosion hazard to an absolute minimum, in contrary to a grinding process. The safest, most effective, and economic solution for manual treatment of aluminum for processing of aluminum alloys with an angle grinder 150 to 125 millimeters. The area of application is cross-industrial and container, vessel, and automotive manufacturing, as well as aluminum casting. Most frequent is the pre- and post-processing of welding seam, the reaming of root seams, as well as roughing machine of cast iron parts. KUKO 43-1. KUKO presents the universal 2-jaw puller with self-centering jaws, the 43-1, for removing small bearings, gears, or discs, etc. for tight or difficult to access spaces. This handy space-saving model is particularly suited for vehicle electrical equipment, electrical workshops, compressed air repair processes, and other similar applications. The thin pulling hooks are suitable for narrow, difficult to access locations. SK-16/OLFA safety models. Replaceable concealed blade safety cutter SK-16 was designed with professionals in mind that need to replace blades often. The SK-16 has a wider opening than our SK-15, making it possible to cut thicker materials like double wall cartons, carpet, and rubber sheets. Minimum cut resistance with our unique design. Having one SK-16 around can cover a wide range of unpacking tasks. Minimum exposure between two plastic guards doesn't come close to either your fingers or the goods inside. Concealed blade design allows for continual blade exposure for repetitive, demanding cutting jobs. Working efficiency is improved with the SK-16's ergonomically designed, comfortable grip. Blade attachment, connector segment, and handle grip are made of a glass fiber, reinforced resins for professional uses. Gotap REM33. RE-M33 is suitable for thread cutting from M8 to M33 in almost all materials. The swivel arm and the ability to produce right-hand and left-hand threads enable safe, flexible, and convenient thread cutting. The arm is made of an extra strong material that prevents deformation. Force control with an alarm system ensures safety, makes this tapping machine a much more efficient device with a much lower energy consumption than conventional devices. The operation of the machine via a touchscreen guarantees the operator easy handling and simple programming without having to have any special knowledge. The machine can be used in automatic or manual mode, and the speed range is infinitely variable from 0 to 155 RPMs or revolutions per minute in order to enable suitable adaptation to the thread type and material. Manual cable tie gun. The HDT16 application tool is designed for installing heavy-duty stainless steel cable ties within a range of industries such as shipbuilding, oil rigs, mining, and mass transit. This tool can easily be adjusted, making it suitable for applying MBT, MLT, and AMT cable ties with a strap width of up to 16 millimeters. The wide range of stainless steel cable ties from Hellerman Titan offers fastening solutions for various applications. High-quality stainless steel in SS304 and SS316 is offered, as well as coated or uncoated cable fixings. The double wrap ties of the MBT series of stainless steel ties are used in applications where a fixing requires an extraordinary high tensile strength. ES20 RMC. The Klauck ES20 is a battery-powered cable cutting tool that has a maximum diameter range for cable lugs and connectors of 20 millimeters, suitable for cutting AI-ST conductors to DIN-EN 50182, solid AI/CU cables to DIN-EN 60228 Class 1, and laminated copper bus bars. The Klauck ES20 can be used in confined spaces thanks to slim cutting head and is extremely robust and lightweight in design. The Klauck ES20 cutting tool uses iPress app, which allows all tool data to be viewed at a glance. The tools effortlessly cut cross-sections up to 105 millimeters, with open cutting head for better accessibility or closed cutting head for improved force transmission. Improved ergonomics with optimized center of gravity makes work more convenient and faster, also through the time-saving opening mechanism. Wintec Wheel Dolly. The Wintec Truck Wheel Dolly is the easiest and safest way to install and uninstall wheels from commercial vehicles. It uses simple principles of leverage to ensure the user experiences the least amount of physical strain possible. The Wintec Wheel Dolly is unique because it allows the user to use their body weight to push the handle down to lift the wheel assembly. Press connection with plastic press fittings. The 3-fit press system press fittings are made of a special lead-free copper alloy called silicone bronze. This lead-free material makes them optimally suited for use in a system with multi-fit flex and multi-fit PEX, multi-layer plastic pipes, in any drinking water system. The fittings are a WRAS-approved product. 3-fit press fittings are also certified by all relevant international institutions, such as DVGW, CSBT, or KIWA. Of course, their use is not limited to drinking water. So, you want an easy installation? The push and stay function allows you to do just that, without help, in tight spaces and with 2 hands instead of 3, for a safe, reliable installation in every position. Electric winch, 200 kilogram. Compact electric winch from Loxon is widely used in various occasions. It can lift objects below 200 kilograms, especially for lifting from ground to high-rise buildings. With the advanced technology and good raw materials, the durability of the mini electric hoist is longer than other suppliers. Scissors Jig SVX-150. Give your scissors a bite on the Tormek with the SVX-150 jig for scissors. It fits all sorts of scissors, from household scissors to heavy garden shears. You can also sharpen pinking scissors that make zigzag cuts in cloth, as well as portable electric hand planer blades. The scissors are mounted in a holder, which supports freely on a support plate. The grinding angle can be set so that you exactly replicate the existing edge angle. One of the scissor blades, sometimes both of them, often have a slight convex shape. With the Tormek jig design, you follow the individual shape of each blade so that the sharpening runs smoothly. The rotation of the stone presses the scissor blade towards the support plate, so you can concentrate on moving the scissors across the stone. Mini Welder Roof 2. Lightweight and easy to operate, suitable for all pitched roofs. The Mini Welder Roof 2 can be used for all PVC and TPO subroof membranes up to 1 millimeter. As the welding wedge technology manages without air having to be blasted, the subroof membrane does not flap about during the welding process. Don't waste your money on toxic solvent welding agents. Swebend, the best spiraling machine / screw conveyor machine on the market. Bend square iron or flat iron to spirals in no time and easier than ever. Swebend presents to you the power boasted by the SB3-105 with an SB3-140 capacity. Here, we are bending/spiraling a 70 by 20 mm to a 300 mm ID. Based on traditional bending technique, Swebend offers a unique know-how in the field of spiraling. Experience spiraling a flat bar, pipe, and angle, or from flat bar to spiral in one pass. Freedom and power to the operator. Experience precision bending with infinitely variable roll speed and position adjustments. Calibrate with backup from precise data and adjust the pitch from anywhere. Festool LS130. Festool's Duplex LS130 EQ linear sander makes detail sanding faster, easier, and cleaner. Rabbets, edges, and profiles are best sanded by a linear motion, and until now, the only tool that could do that was your hand, which doesn't provide the benefit of dust extraction. However, the LS130 linear sander powers through detail sanding faster, more efficiently, and without the fatigue. Multiple profile pads available to match a variety of surfaces, with a fast fix tool-free pad change system, so adapting to a profile is a snap. Jobs like these are extremely common, so the LS130 is sure to provide a major savings in time and effort. Manual pipe notcher. The Vogel No. 25 Econo Arc Fit Notcher is a great choice for low-volume notching of light wall fence industry tubing, perfect for occasional use, hobbyists, and home workshops. The standard design, the model No. 25, is equipped with 3 interchangeable cutting discs for notching, 1 3/8 of an inch, 1 5/8 of an inch, and 1 7/8 of an inch, to 2 inches outside diameter fence tubing. This is also known as 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 inch Schedule 10 pipe. The No. 25 Econo Arc Fit Notcher is only 10 pounds. This means it is easily portable and perfect for use on the job site. Mounting on the base is required, as is the addition of a 3 to 4 foot length of pipe to function as a handle. Canty. The KD-DC100-3 cordless rope cutter. Cordless rope and hot knife cutter with an R blade. The ideal solution for all of your outdoor cutting applications. The knife will seal the edges of most synthetic materials with little effort. It heats up to 400 degrees Celsius in seconds. The standard R blade is suitable for cutting rope up to 17 millimeters in diameter and prevents the rope or braids from fraying. One full charge should give around 25 minutes of continuous use. A movable power supply operates continuously when the trigger is held down. Double protection of thermostat from overheat to spring-loading safety triggers. Switch on and off. Seals the edges with minimal of smoke and no burned edges. Mayfell Zero Joint Edger, HIT-M. The HIT-M is the first and only mobile device to create an optical zero joint. With the hot air injection technology, all commercially available to zero joint edges can be processed with applied functional layer. Without the use of additional adhesive, the HIT-M is flexible and ideal for complex components. In conjunction with BAT processing table, the mobile invisible joint canter becomes a semi-stationary system. Almost all edging situations are possible thanks to the perfect workpiece support with adjustable ball transfer units. The HIT-M can be used for both straight and curved workpieces, with the ability to work in the extremely tight radius of 10 millimeters. Edging of beveled surfaces is no problem, with the ability to apply up to a 50-degree bevel when used freehand and 55 degrees when used in the machine stand with pneumatic adjustment. Ruver's Metal Tag Embossers. Simple and economical, Ruver's metal tag embossing machines use rolls of metal tape to create deeply embossed or debossed tags for heavy-duty tagging applications. Using a character selection wheel, characters are embossed one at a time by pulling a handle used for industrial product identification, labeling pipe, hose, and cables, tracking products through painting and galvanizing operations, and in mold part numbering of cast and molded products. Create tags in variable lengths with holes or slots at both ends for nailing, tying, or welding in place for lasting product identification. For faster and easier tag making, both the T-10A and the T-20 can be supplied with a pneumatic kit and actuation lever for semi-automatic operation. Lismac core drilling machine. With their compact, robust design, the CDM25W and the CDM33W provide reliable, user-friendly, professional wet drilling every day on the construction site. The careful design of the safety clip secures the core drill in the harsh construction site environment, as well as acting as a functional handle for daily transport and simple mounting on drilling stands. Electromechanical on-off switch on the control box is quick and easy to operate, even in difficult situations. Maximum safety due to electronic and mechanical overload coupling, as well as additional thermal overload protection. Overload protection for the highest possible operating comfort and long service life. Integrated smooth start makes operation easier when starting the drilling process. And user-friendly. 3-speed gearbox allows optimum speed selection depending on the specific core drill diameter. Cable drum unreeling frame. Cable drum unreeling frame is a compact cable roller for storing and unreeling cable reels and rolls. The smooth-running rollers with heavy-duty steel ball bearings ensure easy cable payout without snags or twisting. These ball bearings are also sealed for life, preventing water or dust ingress on building sites or rugged environments. The bearings are encapsulated by durable zinc-plated steel rollers. The heavy-duty cable rollers can be simply and easily replaced by depressing the spring-loaded center axle shaft and removing the roller from the steel frame. This versatile compact cable roller is designed to safely dispense a reel of cable or wire easily and safely. The Adept 350mm cable roller can secure a roll of cable up to 350mm or 14 inches wide, and the centers of the rollers can be adjusted to suit large or small diameter cable reels. L-welding system. The L-welding system is the most effective way to heat weld flash cove, corners, detail, shapes, and more. If you've ever struggled to heat weld flash cove, toe kicks, outside corners, or custom shapes, then you need the L-welding system. It combines the powerful detail nozzle design with the compact size of the Hotjet S to let you heat weld any job with great results. With the L-welding system, any installer can heat weld details and difficult areas at their own pace without burning the fluorine material. I will repeat that again. You can heat weld at your own pace without burning the material. The turbojet air design preheats the welding rod and fluorine material for a stronger weld. The BeadScope 360 caulk gun. Seeing your bead is critical. BeadScope 360 will help you get the job done right. No more awkward positions or poor sight lines. BeadScope nozzle 360-degree swiveling action means no stopping to change nozzles for the right angle. With a quick twist of the collar, lock in the ideal position for those hard-to-reach areas. BeadScope 360 is designed for commercial use. The ideal caulking accessory for windows, roofing, auto glass repair, plumbing, masonry, and more. BeadScope 360 provides the ideal caulking angle, leaving a quality joint finish. BeadScope 360. The BeadScope 360 swivels and locks without stopping, attaches to all commercial guns, adjusts on the fly to fit every caulk joint, designed for commercial use. The Hose Spigot Thread Chaser. Over time, threads on faucets become corroded with mineral buildup and foreign material, causing hoses to not seal properly. The Mr. Thread Cleaner removes debris and renews threads, saving your faucet and saving you money. The Mr. Thread Cleaner works on any common household outdoor faucet. It's the perfect tool for homeowners, plumbers, apartment maintenance, textile cleaning businesses, and contractors. The Quick Drive for subfloor fastening. Fastening has never been as fast or as cost-effective. Collated screw fastening tools are replacing traditional nail guns for their speed, reliability, and power. Quick Drive auto-feed screw driving systems are easy to use, durable, and designed for a wide variety of fastening applications. featuring quick loading screws, strips, precise countersink adjustment, and a patented auto advance mechanism. Quick Drive tools save time and expense on job sites every day. Quick Drive is the ideal fastener delivery system for attaching sheathing or subfloor to a joist, so floors don't squeak. Quick Drive auto feed screw driving systems, featuring quick loading screw strips, precise countersink adjustment, and patented auto advance mechanism, are easy to use and ideal for subfloor installation. Beading and crimping machine. The Pexto 0585 crimper beater has been the industry standard in HVAC shops for decades. This US-made, heavy-duty cast iron frame machine is built to last for years and years of daily use. The tool comes standard with OG bead and crimping rules to provide one-pass combined crimping and beading. They can easily be adjusted for deep or shallow beading and for fade-away crimping. Wall Patch Repair Kit. The Wall Patch Repair Kit features a unique dry time indicator that goes on pink and dries white, helping to identify when a patch surface is dry and ready to be sanded and painted. This patented technology eliminates the guesswork and reduces the chance of errors. This kit includes all the necessary tools needed, offering a complete project solution. Simply apply the support disc over the damaged area. Peel back the lining from the specialized compound and press. Spread the compound with your fingers to fill the frame and you're done. No preparation, no second or third coats, no additional tools, no specialized skills required, and absolutely no mess.
Cheater Pipe Wrench. The Milwaukee Cheater Aluminum Adaptable Pipe Wrench is the most adaptable pipe wrench with an all-in-one design that delivers maximum productivity to the professional user. The Cheater has a multi-length quick slide handle that locks anywhere for the flexibility of an 11-inch or an 18-inch to 24-inch aluminum pipe wrench. The Cheater features an overbite jaw, offering the largest grip surface and dual coil springs for maximum durability and tool life. The lightweight aluminum body and tether-ready handle loops make the Cheater adaptable pipe wrench ready for the job site. Equal Space Divider. Based on the mathematical theory of the parallelogram, the equal space divider goes far beyond anything on the market in both design and manufacturing. On the design side, competitive models and the maritime navigational tools they are based on give you a spaced series of pinpoints. You only get pinpoints because the pointers move at an angle. In contrast, the marking arms on the equal space divider move parallel to each other and stay perpendicular to the target line, meaning you can draw a line instead of just a point. No other equal space divider works this way. The two locks designed into this divider also work better. Their outside positions and dramatically increased surface area result in a much more robust lock. Flex Shaft Brush Accessories. Rigid offers a wide range of flex shaft accessories for on-site cleaning efficiency. Depending on the pipe size, pipe material, and obstacles, you can choose from a variety of chain knockers and brushes for your work. Knowing when to choose brushed or standard, carbide tipped, or through head chains, knocker helps you get the best performance out of your machine. Smooth chain knocker can handle all smooth types of pipe. Efficiently removes grease, hairs, and other clogs. Chain knockers with carbide tips are ideal for cleaning all walls and removing scale and light roots, as well as grease, soft, and other obstructions from hard pipe surfaces. Hilti GDG6A22 Die Grinder. With innovative, compact design and the powerful brushless motor, it offers the ability to work in tight spaces while freeing you from the trip hazard of cords and hoses. The GDG6A22 is fully compatible with all of Hilti's 22-volt batteries and is the perfect addition to your tool crib with a variable speed dial, making it suitable for different metal types. Compatible with industry-standard quarter-inch wheels, burrs, blades, and brushes. This battery die grinder provides the most flexibility in the hardest-to-reach spaces, adjustable from 10,000 RPM to 25,000 RPM to select the best balance of high-speed material removal and fine finishing. maximizes power output from this cordless die grinder while helping reduce the maintenance it required compared to corded or air die grinders. Pro Chalk Reels. The Ox Pro Chalk Reel is designed for ease of use on long marking applications. This design has been job site tested and can withstand the abuse that goes along with the territory. A 6-to-1 gear drive means that this Ox chalk reel is 6 times faster to rewind than most chalk reels. The handle is reinforced to withstand drops and rugged rewinding. The handle has a push-button stop mechanism to keep the string tight. The housing has rubber over mold for comfort and durability. The Ox Pro Blue Chalk Powder is formulated for good adhesion and high visibility for both interior and exterior use. Galaxy Cream. Galaxy Cream is a special cream that penetrates the micropores of surfaces, rendering them highly hydrophobic and resistant to different stains like, for example, drinks, inks, acid or alkaline detergents, and including dirty water stains. This polishing cream is ideal for restoring and maintaining the shine of granite, porcelain, engineered stone, and ceramic. Apply and leave it for a while before buffing by hand or slow machine. For best results, use a slow-speed surface polishing machine, Jenny Lind, or floor preparation machine. Excellent for restoring marble too, but care must be taken to remove product quickly as this acidic product left on marble or limestone will etch. Shake vigorously for 2 minutes before using to make into liquid. This product also prevents the formation of scratches and dull paths. Galaxy Cream allows to restore shine, treated floors, forming on their surface a glossy, transparent, protective film which is, as mentioned above, very resistant to foot traffic, dust, scratches, and all detergents, whether acid or alkaline, making the floor even easier to clean. Ledger Lock Screw. Ledger Lock Flathead is a code-compliant structural wood screw engineering to fasten a deck ledger board to the rim joist of a house with no pre-drilling. Ledger Lock replaces lug screws and through bolts, has been coated with a proprietary 3-step coating process that protects against corrosion and is ACQ approved. The built-in washer head eliminates the need for an additional washer, saving time and money. The Ledger Lock Flathead with Torx tab drive system installs flush to the ledger installation, saving additional time and money. Use the additional 3 to 5/8 of an inch for single ledgers. All ledger locks are guaranteed not to rust or corrode for the life of the project. The fasteners have also been tested and approved for use in ACQ, including contact treatment levels. Ledger Lock Flathead is tested and supported by engineering data that conforms to the most current ICC standards. T30309 Grizzly Pro. Cut, drill, fasten, and more with the complete Grizzly Pro tool collection. Have instant power at your fingertips with professional duty 20-volt Grizzly Pro cordless tools and accessories. 11 great tools that all operate on the same low profile and incredibly lightweight lithium-ion batteries. All with the 1-year warranty. This set of cordless power tools is a one-stop shopping for your new shop without having to worry about conflicting battery types, and makes a great gift for Father's Day or graduation, and a high-value gift or purchase for new homeowners. Have instant power at your fingertips with professional duty 20-volt Grizzly Pro cordless tools and accessories. 11 great tools that all operate on the same low profile and incredibly lightweight lithium-ion batteries. Double Falls Seamer 2. The Falls Seamer 2 Steps is the perfect handheld tool for effortless seaming of both single and double lock roof panels, and can be used on both straight and curved standing seam panels. The Double Falls Seamer is used for the seaming of single and or double standing seam roof panels. The machine's open architecture gives a clear look at the seaming process. Aries 70080. This hex bit organizer has a strong magnetic base with a rubber coating to prevent scratches to finished surfaces, and the holder is 1¼ inches by 7 inches by 0.81 inches, so it can be stored almost anywhere you need it to be. The holder securely holds up to 37¼ inch shank bits. Aux dual thrust guns. Introducing the Aux Tools dual thrust chalk and sealant guns, the most innovative guns on the market. All metal gears provide an industry-leading 200 kg plunging force for even the highest viscosity materials. The variable dual thrust mechanism allows users to switch between two thrust ratios 12:1, which provides a 3.5mm stroke and a 24:1, giving a 7mm stroke capacity, offering precise control of flow rate. The dual thrust sealant gun comes with a removable plunger end piece, allowing users to use both sausages and cartridges in the same gun, whilst maximizing the material capacity with an innovative honeycomb design that pushes through any remaining substance in sausages. The 360 rotating barrel allows users to maintain a consistent flow as you apply the bead of adhesive or sealants. Sunjoe handheld flashlight. If you're stuck without power, trying to work in a dark, dreary basement, or at the worksite or campsite at night, it's time to turn on the 24-volt cordless LED handheld spotlight from Sunjoe. Powered by the 24-volt Ion Plus system, the included 2 Ah battery provides up to 70 hours of rechargeable runtime. That's nearly 3 days of continuous use, perfect for power outage situations. The selectable light modes provide 5 different settings to suit the task: spotlight for illuminating tight spaces, high floodlight for brightening up the darkened room, spot plus floodlight to light up the darkest spaces, warning to signal for help. Ceiling panel lift. This panel lifter with a load capacity of 75 kilograms is the indispensable equipment for mounting panel material on ceilings up to 4 meters high and sloping ceilings. Equipped with 4 rollers, the panel lifter can easily be operated by one person. It consists of 2 parts that can be assembled and disassembled very quickly. It can be dismantled into several individual parts and is therefore easy to transport. The panel lift is easy to assemble and disassemble without tools. The panel hoist folds up nicely with good weight to strength ratio. This drywall lift is perfect for DIY and residential use. The panel lift allows one person working alone to install drywall walls and ceilings. The panel hoist easy to position and to tweak to get them exactly where I needed them. Wide enough to stabilize a 12-foot drywall sheet 15 feet above ground. The telescoping center of the panel lift does the actual lifting through a cable pulley mechanism, turning wheel reels in a 3/16 inch metal aircraft cable of the panel hoist. Bogey bender. The Woolco 9050 bogey bender is designed to handle sheet metal bending on inside-outside curves as well as straight pieces. The support plates are able to be unlocked to rotate freely around tight curves while still providing support edges for crisp bend. Woolco tools are excellent in quality and well known throughout the roofing industry. The tool's 2 swivel joints with 3 roller stops, you see where it gets its stability from, can be fastened within seconds due to 2 integrated locking pins. 2 simple steps and you're all set. Bend away. Unfasten the 2 locking pins by pulling out the black knobs and rotate both swivel joints through 30 degrees before locking the knobs back in place again. This setting allows the roller stops to follow the curves of the edge smoothly. The outstanding dimensional accuracy of the bend puts this bending tool ahead of its competition, especially on workpieces combining inner and outer radius. Comes in handy for getting springy materials to true 90 degrees or avoiding scratches on coated sheets. Loxam masonry saw. This masonry saw is ideal for making clean openings in walls and slots in concrete floors. It can be used in particular for the production of window openings, door openings, channels for pipes, and expansion joints, or for cutting through pipes. With the cutting blade with a diameter of 230mm, cuts up to 400mm deep can be made in several passes, vertically and horizontally. Water cooling counteracts the wear and tear of the leaves and reduces the development of dust. The built-in vibration dampers offers ease of use, convenience, and safety. After making an initial 65mm cut, clean the joint. Repeat this after each additional pass to the desired cutting depth. Use the supplied crowbar to get the remains of the wall out of the cut. Nano Garden. After 8 years of research inspired by NASA's technology, French startup Ready to Grow unveils Nano Garden. An elegant indoor smart garden allows consumers to grow long-lasting flowers in a living room, kitchen, or office. Nano Garden uses patented hydroponic technology, an app-enabled grow light, and an all-in-one plant pod to allow gardening within everyone's reach. The easiest and most stylish way to grow plants at home. Plug it, choose your plant pod, and add water. Gardening without getting your hands dirty. It starts with a pot that contains everything. Simply insert the pad into the floater. Have you ever wanted to grow strawberries on your desk? With plus 50 plants available, you can grow anything in Nano Garden. Despite its advanced technology, Nano's minimalistic design is easy on the eyes. The sharp design is the result of a collaboration with designer Alain Berthaud, an aesthetic feat achieved by integrating 6 carefully selected colors, ranging from an earthy terracotta to a vibrant green. The benefits of flowers on emotional and physical health is a given, but buying a bouquet of flowers isn't always the best solution due to the cut flower industry's significant impact on the environment. Almost 80% of the 6.5 billion flowers sold annually in the US are imported, the majority being grown in Colombia and Ecuador. Ready to Grow revolutionizes gardening by allowing individuals to grow flowers themselves and indoors without gardening gloves and messy potting soil. Icy. Icy is conveniently both the maker and the server. Once it's done, simply take it out of the freezer, remove the lid, and take a sip. No need to dirty any more dishes. As the water freezes, the continuous stirring motion is what turns the ice crystals into a perfectly frozen drink. For making a frozen drink, just make or pour your favorite drink into the icy cup. Press the power button, place the icy in the freezer, and after just 90 minutes you've got a tasty, refreshing, custom-made frozen drink. Icy features a glass cup, ABS plastic blade together with a sleek food-grade silicone. Icy comes in 5 dynamic colors to match your lifestyle: strawberry red, royal blue, sunrise orange, grass green, and eggplant purple. Cleaning your Icy is incredibly easy. The glass and mixer can be washed or put in the dishwasher, and the top should be cleaned only with a damp towel. Automotive C-frame socket press. A variety of plungers are included with the automotive C-frame socket press, meaning it can be used to remove and install any socket with a 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, or 1/2 inch drive. Socket sizes can be used in any combination for service on virtually all cars, ADV, UTV, light-duty trucks, and farm machinery. Also included with the press, an assortment of flat anvils can be installed into either end of the press, enabling the tools to be used for numerous clamping or pressing applications. The automotive C-frame socket press is manufactured from high-grade steel for strength and durability. Cable rail tensioning tool. Proper cable tensioning is an important part of the installation and long-term performance of railings using cable rail stainless steel infill. This easy-to-use tool is great for installers looking for a faster and more effective way to tension cable rail assemblies. Works with an 1/8 of an inch, 3/16 of an inch, and a 1/4 inch diameter stainless steel cable rail in a wide variety of post materials. Built-in tension indicator ensures consistent tension is applied to the cable every time, optimizing ease of installation. Reduces the need for additional tensioning at the threaded terminal end, leaving more thread for future adjustments. The 6x gear ratio lets installers tension cable rail with minimal effort. Use is as easy as dialing the tension at the base of the handle to the lowest tension. Insert the cable into the tool, confirming the cable is fully seated in the channel at the grip jaw. Insert the cable of the tool into the quick connect fitting and close the handle. An audible click and slight kickback at the handles indicate the selected tension has been applied. Repeat the process for all of the cables. If a higher tension level is required, just adjust the tension indicator as needed and repeat tensioning all cables. Do not exceed max level. Crusher 315DE. This portable unit is suited for rescue situations and demolition works in the construction industry. The 315DE allows the operator to easily remove sections of concrete attached to structures without disturbing existing fixture material. Extremely useful for urban demolition works with collapsed walls, staircases, lift shafts, columns, etc. The 315DE provides low noise output and clean crushing whilst in operation, making it perfectly suited for any working environment. This unit is designed and precision manufactured in Italy to the highest of international standards for the worldwide construction and rescue industry. The Crusher 315DE allows the demolition of concrete and reinforced concrete with strength and precision. Excellent yield and effective on constructions, stairs, pillars, basins, foundations, beams, chimneys, strong rooms. The Crusher allows the demolition of concrete and reinforced concrete up to 40 cm thickness with strength and precision. Stain pad with groove tool. Shoreline has a long history of offering innovative solutions for the do-it-yourself consumer. Shoreline's stain pad with groove tool stains the top of flat deck surfaces and in between boards at the same time, reducing overall project time and tedious detail work. This 2-in-1 pad provides professional results with ease, handle pivots for easy steering and to engage the groove tool. Wrapped edge pad helps prevent ripping due to rough wood, screw and nail heads. Go hang it. Picture hanging made easy. Accurately hang sawtooth or wire picture frames with zero measuring. 2 magnetic keys stay put until you need them. Insert the keys into our single tooth hangers or standard sawtooth hangers and D-hooks to perfectly mark your nail holes. Built-in hooks for positioning your wire hanger pictures. Simply position the Go Hang It and frame, then insert the push pin into the guide holes to mark where your nails go. Handy level snaps off and sets atop the picture frame you're hanging. Included hardwire case comes with everything you need to hang your pictures with room to store even more. C3D combination tri-square and making gauge. The C3D is a precision hybrid, a genuine alternative that covers the functions of combination or tri-square, saddle square, deep range marking gauge, bevel gauge and rule, all in one tool. The C3D is individually built by hand in England and set to the tolerance of 1/100th of 1 degree over the entire 9-inch length of the blade. And unlike regular squares of the factory set for the life of the tool, the C3D's construction allows the square to be reset, or if serious damage is done, the C3D can be fully stripped down and reassembled. Empire's combination 3D square is a tri-square, marking gauge and saddle square all in one. The pencil holding marking gauge is easily removable, so it can be attached to a longer, straight edge to use as a giant compass. A 2-inch long wing below the body of the tool lets you mark around outside corners. Our favorite feature is the retractable foot that swings out in line with the blade. With the foot out, the square sits flat on the edge of a board without tipping or falling off. Diamond cross. Backing off is so easy with the Fast Track Diamond deburring plate. Using the Fast Track chisel and plain blade sharpener is one of the fastest ways to touch up or regain an edge on a plain blade or chisel. The speed and ease has been further improved with the neat addition to the accessory range. Simply fit the new 1000 grit diamond deburring plate into the blade receiving recess in the Fast Track base and it removes the wire or burr from the back of the blade in no time. The oil-resistant 3M self-adhesive backing ensures that when it's fitted, it's down for good. PAM-Fast. Designed for the professional contractor, the PAM-Fast out-of-feed screw system was made to help every step of the deck building process go smoothly and quickly. From framing to decking installation to remodeling, the PAM-Fast auto-feed screw system was created to drive screws everywhere you need. The PAM-Fast system can be used while standing or as a handheld tool thanks to the removable extension pole design, making for speedier installation times and eliminating the hassle of loose screws. Working with collated screws, the PAM-Fast auto-feed screw system guarantees no screw jams and 0 stripped out bits to help keep your project moving. The simple yet rugged design of the PAM-Fast system is built to last and delivers smooth, consistent screw driving time after time. PAM-Fast screws are available for subfloor, wood decking, composite decking, drywall, tile roofing, cement board, steel framing, and crating or pallets. Blue Cave Power Module. The Batavia Blue Cave Power Module conveniently combines light and power so that it's always easily available. It has a 1 meter input cable and a 6 meter retractable power cable. A circuit breaker provides increased safety, and there is also an on and off switch, ideal for increased safety. You can add a shelf underneath. It comes with 4 drawers and a mounting bracket, and you can dock additional accessories underneath it. Add a hood to help keep everything contained. Gas struts assist with lifting the hood, and the lock helps keep things safe. The lock requires that a shelf be installed beneath the rail to work properly. This also means that you can install a Blue Cave storage setup inside a van or truck without having to worry about the cabinets becoming dislodged during transport. Ultra Shear Wood Turning Tools. If you want to turn bowls, platters, furniture components, and other larger scale work, Ultra Shear full-size tools are perfect for you. All the joys of turning without the complicated learning curve involved in traditional tools or the expensive and complicated sharpening equipment either. The Cutting Edge is an industry-leading nano-grain carbide insert that rivals high-speed steel for edge quality but outperforms high-speed steel for edge retention by 20 to 30 times. When you do need a fresh edge, just loosen the retention screw, turn the cutter, lock it back up, and get back to work. Not just easier, better. Carbide insert wood turning has gone viral over the last few years, and why not? Without the long learning curve and endless sharpening, turning is just plain fun. The tool shanks are machined from a special alloy steel renowned for its strength and resilience. After machining, the shanks go through a 2-step heat treating process that hardens the material throughout and tightens up the grain structures of the surface. The result is a rigid tool that resists corrosion and glides effortlessly across your tool rest. The shanks are pressed into rock maple handles, carefully designed to balance the tool in your hands. Glaciex Ice Clear Liquid Epoxy. Top quality epoxy resins, a new generation of bi-component systems to guarantee maximum strength, purity and transparency, and the lowest yellowing possible caused by UV rays. Excellent for filling pits, pinholes, and fissures in natural stone. Excellent for gluing mesh and netting to the back of fragile natural stones. Whether you are a DIYer, contractor, woodworker, or artist, Glaciex Ice Clear Liquid Epoxy is sure to impress. Transform your project from ordinary to breathtaking with Glaciex Ice Clear Liquid Epoxy. Woodworkers, contractors, and DIYers love using Glaciex Ice Clear Liquid Epoxy to create unique, one-of-a-kind river tables, bar tops, and household furniture.
Thanks for watching. If these 100 Unreal tools impressed you, drop a like, share with your fellow makers, and hit subscribe for more tool pack content. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments, or tell us what we missed. Until next time, keep building, stay sharp, and keep those ideas cutting clean. Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good, they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Aquapel. Aquapel is a water